What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Said coming in with another video. So I got a 2020 Dodge Charger 5.7 and it is running hot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install a water pump on there today. You know where Duralast is. That's from AutoZone. So I just do what I need to do and put on. So yeah, so you can look down in here. You see on the back side, you see coolant stains right there. So just gonna go ahead and tackle this job real quick. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so gonna need you some pliers, a 15, a 13, a 10, a screwdriver, some Teflon, because you gotta remove this sensor right here and put some Teflon on there and then install it into your new pump. And then you gotta get the belt removed and thermostat. Now the new water pump comes with a new gasket. So I got a new gasket on here. It's where your sensor is gonna go and your tube. All right. All right, you need a 16 so you can get this tensioner off. I'm gonna do everything pretty much by hand for right now. And if you got to do this while it's hot, just be careful. So get to the side, and then your eyelet pulley right here, you're gonna use a 13. Get in there. Alright, just be careful, try not to drop anything. And you have your upper radiator hose and your lower down there. Alright, so these are 13s right here. And like I told you, 13s, 15, 10. Alright, so I'm gonna get the lower radiator hose off the camera, and then I'll jump back to the top. All right, we got all the bolts out. Oh, got one over here hiding. Alright, y'all. Went and picked up a new thermostat. So we'll go ahead and install it. So when installing these guys on the thermostat, let me pull it back out for y'all. You see this little piece right here? You want this at the top, at the highest point. That way, when it's time to bleed the system, it'll make this a lot easier to do and to get the job done quicker. All right, so make sure that's facing up. All right, guys, make sure you got the heat on. No AC, but that's how you install a water pump on a 5.7. And I appreciate y'all staying tuned and watching the channel, and come back and check me out for the next video. I'm gonna keep on pushing out content, no matter if you don't want to see me or look at me. All right, y'all, love y'all, have a good Monday, and let's amp up for tomorrow. Later.